Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to create Canva templates and selling them on Etsy. But first of all, we need to do some research. So what I usually do on research is to go right on the Etsy homepage and do a few searches. So let's just do a very preliminary search, and this is how I do it. So let's say we want to do Canva templates. So I will use the search bar and type in Canva templates. And as you can see already, I have this app from SALESAMURAI that I use, and it will show me all the search volumes right on the search bar. And as you can see, this is listed as one of the top search volumes. There are other different searches to give you an idea of what other people are searching for. So I'll just pick the broadest one, and we can go into 500 more, and it will show me all the other related searches. So how I do my research is I go to search volume, which you want something that is higher than 2000. And for competition, you want it to be under 2000. So let's do a very conservative search with 1500. On this side, actually, the most is 1500. And let's see what happens. So it's telling me actually that like to know Canva templates are a very good product to be selling right now because it has high search volume, which is 3600, and a competition of 841, which means that there are only 841 products available for this search volume, which is a very good ratio. So I always go back and take a look on here to see what pulls up. So like to know Canva templates, and as we can see, this is the high search volume pulling up right now, and if we click into it, you see that there are 843 results, and this seems to be a very good product to be selling right now. And if you don't already know what like to know it is like kind of affiliate website where you get a commission if people buy from one of the affiliated brands. So a lot of people advertise things on their social media, like outfits and favorites, so that people can click into their like to know it profile and click on something there and buy it. So let's just look at this person's Canva templates. So it's pretty much a collage of things for your social media profiles to advertise a product. So as you can see here, this is like they're selling a candle of some sort. And it's just collages that would fit your branding of your social media profile. So it's actually a pretty easy template to make. So let's make one ourselves. So let's go into Canva and create a design. I want to create something for an Instagram post or an Instagram story. And so I picked my size, and you can easily resize all of these designs if you have the pro version, and you can just resize automatically. What I want to do now is to create kind of something from scratch because we don't want to be selling these templates on Canva because everyone has access to those. So I want to make a template for, let's say, a sale that's happening for my like to know it post. And one thing to keep in mind is if you're creating a template, you want something that will be free on the Canva version. You don't want to have something that is only available to the pro version because then whoever is buying it will actually have to pay for Canva to use the font or the images that you put on there. So the best thing to do is to put something that is free and won't have like a pro version crown like this on the side. You can find links in the description for everything that I mentioned. If you want to use the SALESAMURAI tool that I used for Etsy research, then I have a discount code for you guys to use. And I'm also offering this template for free to start your own product. So if you want anything, feel free to go in the comments and all the links will be there. Okay, and so this is my Instagram stories template for Like to Know It, and you would probably want to make several designs to add with your package so that they can have different types of templates. But this is just how you would create a template to sell on Canva. And the most important thing is now to sell the template, you would want to share this and be careful that you're not sharing it as a link here. Okay, do not do this. Do not copy this link because then they'll be able to edit your actual template. What you want to do is to go to More and go to Template Link. Okay, this is the link that you want to share when you sell it. And what you need to do is just copy this, okay, and then paste it in either a separate PDF document that will link to this account, to link to this template, or you can send it as a message or something if you want. But just remember that you need to put it in something that they can download. Made your template, what you want to do is share the link for your template. And how you do this is very important. So you would go to share and do not share the collaboration link because this means that you're sharing a link that they can edit the actual template. So you do not want to do that. You want to share it as a template that will make a copy of this. Okay, so what you want to do is go here to More and find the template link here. So a way to test this is copy this and then open a new tab and paste it in and see what you get. Okay, you want something that'll show up like this. Okay, if it's something else, then you've got the wrong link. So what they would do is to say use template and it will make a copy on their own Canva for them to use, or else they're going to be editing your actual main template, and whoever buys your template in the future will have a weird looking template that is not what they bought. Okay, so now that you got this template link, what I usually like to do is to create a PDF thank you page like this so that people can download something. And that's where they can click into the link. I've made a button down here and a preview of what they bought, and I can just go in here and say download template, and then just select this and go to this link icon and paste the link, the template link that you copied. Okay, so you can check it again, make sure that it is the template link, and then you should be good to go. I would download this as a PDF so that the links will work on here. I usually just go PDF standard because it's not as big of a file for people to download. And I don't recommend flattening the PDF because if you flatten it, then I don't think the link will work anymore. Just download it as is, and then you will have the PDF to upload for your customers. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.